we know that we know that when tapping the remote, then it will work. We can see that the all the remote we can see, and the old RCTV we can see that when we tap the TV it will work. How did the TV remote and the electronical gadgets that works when it taps? This is a concept going to discuss about in this video, and welcome to our channel Independent CJ. We are using most of alkaline batteries. These are consuming only less power and so slowly release a power. That's why the reason why we replace the long time after that. When due to the acid leakage deposit on the terminal, that spring type, the oxidation is taking place on that terminal, the spring, so that it will resting place is taking place. So we cannot see with our eyes. The minute changes in happen. It cannot, so that we cannot. It cannot create a proper contact with the battery. When we tap that remote, the dust particles that fall down and the contact with the battery. This is the first reason. The second reason why this is happening is alkaline batteries, after discharging, when we heat or battery heat is given, or shake is given, and vibrate is given, the remaining electron is releasing the chances of power to the remote, so that because the remote needs less power, we can the few electrons can be enough to make a power. Next doubt is the TV and any electronic device. Why happens when we tap works? Because continuous for a control supply and power supply, the filter board is given in the remote or any electronic gadgets. The old types, it is single coated PCB, that is it is coated with copper. It make connections in the devices. But the disadvantage is the proper soldering is done only in one side, that is back side. The terminal is the front, which is have a not soldering area. That name, the technical name is dry soldering. That is the back side is not back side is soldered, and the front side is not soldered. That the technical name is dry soldering. It is not proper soldering is taken place in the front, so that when we tap, when it is like a smooth surface, so that it can be easily removed from this from the board. Then when we tap or any other application is tapped, so that it will rejoin in the board by the mechanical support, mechanical pressure, like vibration, any taps. But now it is not able, because the double side PCB and triple side and multiple sides PCB are using, so that these problems will be neglected. We can see in computers, phones, or any GPS technology we can see, but it is multiple layer is using is more, single side is less, so that we can not use a tap like structure. Thank you for watching.